So I'm back at Refnes Beach, and I brought with me my new ND filter from Freewell, and I thought I would try to test them out. It's a bit dark here today, and it's overcast, very dark clouds, and it's 11 past 8 in the evening. But first I will try to just switch the camera around and catch the ocean view without any filters. Oh yeah, I can see it's totally washed out. So I'm shooting in 4K, 30 frames per second. I'll try the first ND filter, if I can read. Start with a ND8 filter. Supposed to just let's see if that makes any difference. Try to turn it around. Yeah. That improved a lot, I think. I think I will try the next one, which is ND16. I think it will be too dark for this lighting. Okay, so this is ND16. Looks very dark on the little screen, but we will see when I look at my monitor back home. Just turn it around. I can see more details in the skies. The clouds are more clear, not so washed out. But it looks very dark. So let's just try the last ND filter, which is the gimbal is fighting. ND32. Yeah, it looked very dark for a minute there, but it cleared up. So let's turn the camera around. So what I got was the I forgot to bring the the box, but this is 8 different filters. I think it's called day pack or something, daylight pack. There's 3 normal ND filters. And there's also some polarized filters that I will try out maybe another day when the sun is up, just to check them out. But I think for now this is good enough. So now I will just bring the camera with me and go for a walk around the beach. I'm not quite sure which filter I should use now, but I have the ND32 filter on now. I think I will just try that one. It is getting quite dark, and I'm probably using too dark of an ND filter. I should probably change it out with the ND8 filter. Yeah, I will try that. Here we go with the ND8 filter. It's probably the best choice for this kind of dark conditions. So the sun is somewhere behind these sand dunes, so I think I will just walk to the other side, just check out what happens to the picture when I get more light into the lens. It's a struggle to walk in this very loose sand.